wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best motorcycle lifts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. The Zeny JA015250 may not be the easiest model to operate, but if you're looking for a basic option for occasional use, it offers a convenient collapsible design that only requires 3¼ inches for clearance. It weighs just 33 pounds and is priced very affordably, but the ball bearings can fall out. At number 8, whether you need to raise a Harley or a truck transmission, the alltrade powerbuilt 620422E is up to the job, thanks to a 4,000-pound capacity. Once you have whatever it is in the air, it can be held in place using the locking safety bar, allowing you to forego the use of jack stands. It comes with padded lift rails and a removable saddle. However, it does need 6 inches of clearance. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the vivohome hydraulic allows you to lift bikes weighing up to 1,500 pounds using its manual foot pump. It's equipped with a 3-position safety lock to ensure it doesn't accidentally lower while you work, and comes with a pair of tie-down straps. It also includes 2 adapter bars, a removable handle, and a wide base for stability. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for motorcycle lifts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, both affordable and capable, the Orion Motortech ZX09-08 is a scissors-style jack that can be raised and lowered with a ratchet or by using the included T-handle. It requires little storage space when not in use, making it suitable for those with small garages. The deck is almost 10 inches wide and equipped with a skid-resistant rubber coating and a grease and dirt-resistant finish. Moving up our list to number 5. The professional-grade hydraulic lift that comes with the Rage Powersports Essential Shop Kit BWSK-E can support up to 1,000 pounds and is made from heavy-duty steel. The kit also includes a wheel balancer, a tire bead breaker, and a stool. It features a sturdy platform, a 26-inch loading ramp, and pedals for raising and lowering. At number 4, at 62 pounds, the Million Parts Hoist MP Lift SD 0010 isn't a lightweight unit, but it is equipped with a pair of casters on one end and a handle on the other, so moving it around shouldn't be too difficult. It boasts a 1,500-pound capacity, an anodized aluminum frame, and a maximum lift height of 17 inches. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the OTC 1545-360 features 17-inch long skids to keep wide bikes stable, while the low clearance makes it easy to slide under sports bikes. It offers a maximum height of 16¾ inches, which should be enough to make working comfortable for most people. The handle is removable and the rear casters can be locked in place. It includes 2 tie-down straps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for motorcycle lifts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, at just 30 pounds, the Rage Powersports Black Widow is light enough to toss in the backseat or your trunk, yet still has enough power to lift the heaviest cruisers. It comes with removable frame adapters that can add an additional 3¼ inches to its range. It features rubber pads to prevent scratches and a durable powder-coated finish, and it can be raised with a socket wrench. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the apluslift MT1500X is suitable for commercial shops or anyone who works on lots of different bikes. Along with large cruisers, it's suitable for ATVs, making it a very versatile option. It's powered via air compressor and operated with a foot controller. It comes with a service jack too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for motorcycle lifts, or simply click beneath this video.